So we're in IKEA. And you want to see some of the wee displays. This is the kiddies section. They've done some lovely displays. Look at this. They're gorgeous. Oh, here, where's that wee light? Look at the butterflies. Can you see that? Where's that coming from, Tommy? There's butterflies flying all around. See that? It must be a wee light of some sort. Look at that on the wall. I want one. Where's the light? Oh, I'd love that. Look at the butterflies. Where's that coming from? That would be so relaxing, lying in your room and watching that, them going all round your room. And I can't see where the wee thing is coming from, but it's definitely somewhere there. And then they have this room with all the light bulbs done. Isn't it lovely? They come up with some fantastic ideas. Oh, here. And then what's this one? I love IKEA. Tommy hates IKEA. Really nice, like a wee candle room. Can you see? It's IKEA Belfast, UK. I still can't see where that wee light is coming from. But I love it. I just love that. I want one. I haven't been over here in months because he yaps at me. So when I come over here, oh, look at this. For ideas for your room. Isn't it? I have a couple of those wee furry rugs.
Angie's granny's house. That's where Angie's granny lives. Yes, we'll have a cup of tea, Angie's granny.
Are we going to have meat-free meatballs?
Yeah.
Tommy,
They're not pork.
Tommy, did you hear that? Are we going to have meat-free meatballs? And you said as long as they're not pork.
Well, yeah, if they weren't
That's
pork,
Irish.
They would be meat free, wouldn't it?
He does my head in. Oh wow, look at the way they've done the blinds. So here, Tommy, I want a blind like that. I want. I'm like a kid in a toy shop in IKEA. Look at the way they've done that. You actually can put that anywhere in your house on the wall and yet think that we're looking out a window. I'm going to ask where is there any of these for sale? Not good. Right, what else do we have? Oh.
This is where I'm on pod. Angie's not allowed in here. Why are you sneaking in here?
It's very dark, isn't it? My son would love this.
Keeping my guitars and all hung up.
Oh yeah.
Record player.
I wonder, do they sell the wee holders for the guitar for the wall? Because I could get one for Stephen. Because his is always sitting about.
I think they would, Sam.
Yeah, I'll see if I can get him one. And I want the light with the butterflies, so I'll have to see somebody that works here and ask them about that. I would love that. So we're all frosted over. No snow yet in Northern Ireland, but my granddaughters are hoping that we get some. Oh, here's a nice room. Wow, isn't this done nice? Look at the wee stars. I just love their displays. Look at this. Boy, this is a cluttered room. Far too cluttered. Well, some people like that. It's homely. I'm more, I like space. Not bare, but nice space. There's all your bookcases. And your wee artificial plants. IKEA is great for, cushions for your sofa. The feather filled ones, because the feather filled ones don't move around on leather sofas. They sit where you put them. Whereas the other ones, you can't, they never sit in place. And they're pretty reasonable priced. Also, they do flannels for your washing your face, and towels, good prices and good colours as well. I think they're a bit pricey now, and they're cuddly toys, to tell you the truth. But they are nice, the cuddly toys. We actually have a big chest of drawers for the bedroom in this style. And we've had it 2 years. I think I built that myself, didn't I? And no troubles with it at all. Really good quality. What does it say? Buy cheap, buy twice. But there's some of the stuff's very good quality in IKEA. Lasts for years. Reminds me of something out of the olden days, doesn't it? Oh, in the gaming section. Oh. There's a head, Tommy, that changes colour.
So, you when you're in a bad mood, your head changes colour.
Oh, really? This is all the gaming section, giving you ideas how to set your computer room up. And there's the head. Do you know why he's blue?
Why?
Because he's crying.
Oh.
Because he can't find his body.
Oh.
Big chairs for your computer. I love the candle section in here, so I might get, when I go downstairs, let you see some of the candle section. We're into the kitchens. It's quirky, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very low down the cupboards. For anybody that's small like me, this would be brilliant. Because I'm fed up getting chairs out. That's just my height. I have to get a chair out to reach my cupboards.
That's what you're looking for?
Yes. I got one of them air fryers and I need a wee set of tongs with
£5.
I don't want the plastic or metal on the bottom in case it scores it. I want like that rubber silicone. So like a Quaker kitchen. That's nice. I like that where for the wine bottles up in the top there. That's nice. I bought my son two lights like this for his kitchen. He's two in his kitchen. And you can pick your tiles and your worktops and everything in here. So I want to see if they're selling that butterfly light in here somewhere. That is black. I'm around you all the wee nicky boxes and things that you would need for your kitchen. So I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, that's lovely. £40. That is nice. And I love the flowers. It's nice. So I'll catch you in the next one.